Hello, this is Eric. Yesterday I purchased this Maisto Formula One McLaren MCL38 car at Costco. This car is campaigned in 2024 by Lando Norris. It's radio controlled, 1/10 scale. And at Costco, they're $59 plus tax. So today I thought I'd open the box and see what's inside. So let's open the box and check it out. So let's open up the box. Looks like you open the end. So it looks like we've got extra set of wheels and tires, a controller, and some tools, a little wrench to take off the wheel nuts and replace the wheels and tires. They're soft rubber tires, and these are the white sidewall tires, what they call the standard tire, and then the option tire is the yellow, the softer rubber tires. So these are the hard tires, the soft tires for Formula One. And then to take this apart, here's the back of the box. Let's see here. Gotta cut this tape. Looks like, and then this folds down. Here's your tools. Little screwdriver and the wrench. The screwdriver, I think, is to pry these caps off. And they give you some instructions here. Yeah, so here's some instructions on changing the wheels and tires with the toolkit. The extra wheels and tires. That's that. And then let's see what's underneath here. So it looks like we have more instructions in different languages on the operation of the RC car and the recharging of the battery. And looks like more things over here. So this looks like the charging cable. They give you two Duracell AA batteries which go in the controller, and then there's a rechargeable battery for the car itself, and with a plug-in cable and USB at one end. So you charge it to USB. Yeah, so you plug this USB in to charge your car battery. Here's the controller. And then to remove the car, looks like we undo these little nuts here. And one more here. So here's the car. And the underside is an on-off switch, it looks like. And then the place for the battery, which you need the little tool to open this and put the rechargeable battery in. 2.4 gigahertz frequency. And the controller uses the two AA batteries. So that's it, everything in the McLaren kit. Let's open up the bag with the charging unit and the batteries, see what that looks like. So there's the two AA batteries for the controller and the rechargeable battery. The rechargeable battery for the car itself, and the charging cable, which plugs into USB and into here. And then when you open the door on the bottom, I'm sure this goes in there, plugs in. And let's take the controller out and see what that looks like. So I got to snip this tie wrap here. So here's the controller, steering, and forward and reverse accelerator. And it also has engine sounds, I noticed. This little control over here, you can have your engine sounds as you're driving the car. And then this is an on-off button here, and a light indicating battery. And then the AA batteries go in here. Undo that screw and put your two AA batteries in there. Here's a close-up of the car. Very nice detail. And very accurate too. And the controller. The extra wheels and tires. And the back side. The instructions for changing the wheels and tires. And the toolkit for changing the wheels and tires and opening the battery doors. The general instructions for the RC car, its operation and charging of the battery. There's the rechargeable lithium-ion battery and the USB charging unit and your two AA's for the controller. So that's everything in the RC kit, the McLaren MCL38 Formula 1 2024. Thank you for watching. Bye now.